one is for LR and the other for quant. Okay. So series. Okay. Okay, try out this series. 8, 12, 10, 16, and then again 12. Okay. As I told you, when there are numbers increasing and decreasing, going up and down, that means there are chances of two series. But whenever you approach a series, see whether there is a constant difference or not, addition or not, but that should be very quick. Okay.
So did you share any screen? I can't see.
Sorry. Forgot to share screen. You are just watching me and half, 1/4 of Shritana. Yes. So wait. Let the show begin. In the beginning only you are breaking all the suspense. Before I share screen, do you want to tell hi to your friend Shritana? My laptop. Okay, 160. Here she is.
Sir, it will be 10. Sir, 10 होगा.
Okay, let me see the answer. No, it is 20. Emma's one is correct. Okay, this one. No, you see the series first. Ishika, I forgot to share the screen at that time. You share the see the series now. Maybe you will be able to understand. Okay, 8, 12, 10, 16, 12. Okay, so if I see, okay, can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So as I told you that when there are this ups and downs, then there are high chances that two series are combined. So two, the difference is yeah. So 8 plus 10 is 2, and this one is 4, and this one is 2. So of course this one will be plus 4, which is 20. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ritama,
Yes, sir.
Ishika? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us do this one. Okay, have you copied this one, the series? Should I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
260, 216, so it is a continuously decreasing series. Okay, but again, you first of all see common difference. You see whether there is common difference or not, whether there is constant multiplication or not, or maybe two series are combined. Think in this way.
Sir, একটা সিরিজ তো হালকা হালকা বুঝতে পারছি, বাট ব্ল্যাঙ্কের পার্টটা দাঁড়াও দেখছি। স্যার অ্যান্সারটা কি 29?
Right, that's correct. Okay. So if we see these two values, I mean alternate series approach, then we get this one as 132. Okay, this one we get as 108. This one we get as 66, right? This one we get as 54.
স্যার আমি যেটা
So I did in a different way, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
স্যার আমিও আলাদাভাবেই
So
করেছি।
this series,
Huh.
so for this series, like if you start from the right hand side,
Hmm.
so 27 into 2 is 54, and then
Okay.
54 into 2 is 108. That way, it's going
Okay.
in a multiples of 2,
Okay.
and
Okay. Okay.
basically, and it's a 2. Yeah, and then you can do one thing, that 62 into 2 plus 4, and then
Hmm.
is 128, and then 128 into 2 plus 4 is 260. So in that way, 29 into 2 is 58 plus 4 is 62. That way.
Okay, I divided this series. Yeah, you can do it in that way also. I divided this series into two series actually. One is 268, 260, 128, 62, and dash, and then 216, 108, 54, and 27. Okay, so this difference is 108.
স্যার নিচের সিরিজটা তো লাইক 200, 108 এর ডাবল হচ্ছে 216, 54 এর ডাবল হচ্ছে 108, এরকম টাইপের আছে নিচেরটা।
আচ্ছা, এইখানে ডিফারেন্সটা হচ্ছে 132, this difference is 66. Okay, so 132, 66, so 132 is the double of 66, right? So that means this one should be what? 33 difference. 132, the half of 132 is 66, the half of 62 is 33, so that means this should be 62 minus 33, that is 29. So I picked up this one, and this one. Why? Because this one comes after this one only, I mean alternative to this one. So I find that the difference between these two is 132 Okay, the difference between these two is 66. So that means it is, the difference is decreasing like this, 132, 66. So that means what is 66? 66 is 132 by 2. So the next one will be 66 by 2, that is 33. Okay, so that means the next number is going to be 62 minus 33, which is 29. You can see in this way also. I mean, it's all up to you. It's not like that any pattern is wrong. Wherever you find a pattern, you can do that. Is that clear?
Yes.
No. What to do now? You can try out the next one. I'm telling you. Let Shutama copy this. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, dash.
স্যার আরেকবার রিপিট করবে?
2, 5, 9, 19, 37, dash. Two, 5, 9, 19, 37, dash.
So 75.
That's correct. Okay, so as I told you, see whether there is any difference or not. Okay, so if I see alternative difference, I mean difference between every two terms, it gives me 3, 4, 10, 18. Okay, this doesn't follow any pattern, but if I follow it alternatively, important call thori na. So 7, 14, 28, right? Now you see the alternative difference is increasing as a multiple of 7. 7 ones are not actually not multiple of 7. So 7, it is starting with 7, then 14. Okay, then this one is into 2, that is 56, I mean 28, and the next one is 28 into 2, 56. Okay, so this one is going to increase as yeah, this one is going to increase as plus 56. So 19 plus 56 is 75. Do you understand? So alternative numbers, I mean 1, 3, 2, 4. Sure. Okay, so if you see the difference between 2 and 9,
Sir, I
there
have
is,
done by a different logic.
okay, tell me.
No, sir, you complete. Then I'm
Yeah, so difference between 2 and 9, 7, difference between 5 and 9, 14, difference between 9 and 37, 28. So this is 7, this is 7 into 2, this is 14 into 2. Okay, so the next one will be 28 into 2. Okay, so
Sir, it could
hmm.
have been done in a different way too, right?
Yes, of course, of course. As I tell you, I mean, if you find a pattern, then that is correct. You see, in the first case, I got 3, 4, 10, 18. I didn't find any pattern over there. Okay, tell me what approach you followed, Neil.
Sir, I did this for the one series is 2, 9, 37. If I consider that it was then it's 2 into 4 plus 1, then 9
Okay,
into minus
9 into 4
1,
plus
then
1. Okay.
the rest of the series is into 4 minus 1.
Okay.
And that
Okay.
519, that is into 4 minus 1.
Hmm.
Yeah, so 19 into 4 is 76 minus 1
76
is
minus. Fine,
75.
fine. Absolutely correct. No issues. Ritama, your approach?
Yes, sir. I did the same thing.
Okay, okay. Ishika, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For বুঝতে পেরেছো প্যাটার্নটা? ওকে, the next one. না বুঝলে বলবে কিন্তু, তুমি না বুঝলে বলবে কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে? 3, 7, 13, 21, 31. Okay.
Sir, 35.
35 is not an option.
43.
That's correct. This is very easy. Try করো, ডিফারেন্স বার করে ট্রাই করো তোমার। কি বলো? দেখো প্রথমে ইজি করে ভাবো, ঠিক আছে? প্রথমে কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বারসের মধ্যে ডিফারেন্সটা দেখবে, কোনো প্যাটার্ন আছে কিনা। 7 minus 3 4, 13 minus 7 6, 8, 10, একটা প্যাটার্ন আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি ডিফারেন্সের মধ্যে। How the differences have a difference of 2, right? The differences have a difference of 2. So what is going to be the next difference? That is 12. 31 plus 2, that is 43. Ishika, do you understand?
Sir.
Ritama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছো? The more you do the different types of series, the more you practice different types of series, the more you will learn about different types of patterns. Okay, so now this next sum is a little bit different type of sum. So we have 12, 30, 120, 460, 1368, 2730. যদি 10টার মধ্যে কমপ্লিট করে দিচ্ছি, কারণ তোমার মা এসেছেন তো পুরো যাবে। 12, 30, 120, 460. Okay, so we have this. Now this is 16, then A, B, C, D, E. This is what we have. So the question is that you have to complete the series starting with the number given, following the sequence of the original series. Okay, so this is the series that is given. Okay, and we have to complete this series. So now this series is given, we have to understand what is the pattern of this series, and the same pattern we have to put on this and find out the different values. The question is, what is the value of D? The question is, what is the value of D? Okay, try it out for 2 minutes only, that's it. I will try to complete my targeted sums today, okay, and try to complete our class by 10, because Shitama's mother came, okay, so to take her, so she's waiting at my home, so I'll not extend it too late at night. Okay, any idea, Shitama? Are you getting any pattern? Niladri?
No, sir.
Okay, so let us see the pattern. 30. Now see, when I saw this, when I tried out this sum, I also couldn't realize the pattern. Okay, so I took help. Okay, but when I'm teaching you, you can remember this pattern. So this 30 is 12 into 6 minus 7 into 6. That is going to give you 30. 12 6 is 72, 7 6 is 42. 120 is going to be 30 into 6 minus 5 into 6, that is 120. 30 into 6 is 150 minus 30. 460 is going to be 120 into 6 minus 4 into 6. 120 to 6, 720. 4 into 6, 24. Okay. 7. So this is going to be 6 and this is going to be 5. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 4. 12 6 is 720. Yeah, 7 12 6. No, not 12 6, 12 because I have to take 12 4 sir. Right. So see the previous one, 30 into 5 is 150 minus 30, that is 120. 460 is 12 into 4, that is 480 minus 20, that is 460. Then 1368 is going to be 460. Ishika, can you please mute yourself? Thank you, Ishika. So 460 into 3 minus 4 into 3. So 460 into 3 uses 0300, 6 is 18. 1380 minus 12 will give you 1368. And then 2730 is going to be 1368 into 2 minus 3 into 2. So you see these numbers, okay, are decreasing by 1 starting from 6. These numbers are decreasing by 1 starting from 7. These numbers are decreasing by 1 starting from 6. Right? Now the same thing we need to do for the second series. So what will be A? A will be 16 into 6 minus 7 into 6. Same pattern we are going to follow. So there is going to be 96 minus 42, so 54. Right? B is going to be 54 into 5 minus 6 into 5. There is going to be 5 4s are 20 minus 30. There is going to be 240. 240 into 4 minus 5 into 4. 940. Okay. Yeah. Now 940 into 3 minus 4 into 3. Okay. So that is going to be 2808. Okay. This is the answer for D. Okay. This is a completely different type of sum where one series is given. Now say this question could have come in a different way also. Say you were given to find out this term. It could have happened like this also. You are given to find out 2730. Okay, so here it is given, the series is given, you need to understand the pattern and then you need to find out the other one. That's it. না 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 অন্য অন্য প্যাটার্ন হতে পারে. This is just one example. Okay, হ্যাঁ একটা সিরিজ এরকম হতে পারে. ধরো এই প্রথম সিরিজটাই দিল, এর মধ্যে এটাকে স্কিপ করে দিল, তাহলে আমাকে তো প্যাটার্নটা তো বার করতেই হবে. We have to see that this particular number, the second one, is decreasing by 1, then this one is also decreasing by 1, then this one also decreasing by 1. That is how it is. That is a pattern. Okay, and the next number is obtained from the previous number. So we are exercising this particular pattern on every multiple. দেখো ওইটাই হচ্ছে প্যাটার্ন, ওটা কি করে বোঝার কিচ্ছু নেই. এটা মানে ওই লাকিলি যদি প্যাটার্ন পেয়ে গেলে তো ভালো, না পেলে স্কিপ করে যাও. ওকে, I mean if you are not able to find out the pattern, just skip it, because when you see a series, you see when we did all the previous series, so 3 people found 3 different techniques. I found a different pattern, Ritama found a different pattern, Niladri found a different pattern, Ishika found a different pattern. That means this one particular sum has so many directions. Okay, so it is very difficult to find patterns like this. If it is easy, if you can, I mean, when you do little bit of operations, say you find out the difference between two consecutive terms, or you find out the difference between I mean two alternative terms. If you see a pattern over there, try it out. If you don't see, just skip it. Don't do that. Okay, is that clear? Send করে দেবো গ্রুপে এটা। Have you understood, Ishika, Niraji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm just sending it in group.